Why do data users, such as researchers, policymakers, regulators, innovators, and health professionals need access to health data from multiple countries? Let's take the example of a researcher looking into cancer with low rate of survivability. In order to study how patients survive from it, the researcher needs to have access to a critical mass of data to understand how the disease works. This can only be achieved by using data from several EU countries. Today, data users face blocking problems to access health data. Each country has different rules. Data users are not able to discover what data exists out there in Europe that may be fit for purpose to their project. And there is not a common procedure to streamline data users' access to health data. Through the health data at EU, data users will be able to discover where data exists, and with one single application apply for access to health data in different countries. Let's see that in practice. Let's imagine that a data user wants to investigate a research question, and for that one needs health data from several countries. How do the data users find, request, and access the data that they need? A data user searches for the suitable datasets in the health data at EU catalog, which includes datasets from all EU countries. Data users can tailor searches for their needs by means of filters and learn from outcomes of previous projects. A data user submits a single application for multiple countries for access to the selected health data. The health data access bodies evaluate the application, following a common timeline, and grant or decline access to health data. The health data access bodies contact the data holders for making the data available in a secure processing environment. Appropriate measures are taken to ensure that patients' privacy is preserved along the different steps, and data are provided anonymized or pseudonymized. The data user conducts the analysis within the secure processing environment provided by the health data access bodies in each EU country, and can only extract results without identifiable information. Last but not least, the data user shall publish the outcomes of the research project, ensuring privacy and verifiability. This increases transparency and accelerates knowledge sharing. This is how health data at EU can be a valuable tool for data users, who will be able to discover large amounts of health data so that they can accelerate research, innovation, policymaking, regulatory workflows, or personalized healthcare projects. Users will be able to benefit from a more direct way to access EU-wide health data by reducing fragmentation and administrative burden. And users will also be able to benefit from a trusted infrastructure that preserves privacy. In essence, timely and streamlined access to health data while preserving fundamental rights. Let's build it together and for everyone. Learn more on how to set up the health data at EU, connect to health data at EU, and discover health data.